Welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I will be featuring YWigs. Big thank you to YWigs for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into this look. So today I am doing a crochet install. I have 5 packs of their 20-inch natural color body wave crochet hair. These are individual crochet links. I will have all the details and links to this hair down in the description box. So I'm showing you the hair. This is the gorgeous hair. It comes in that consistent S wave, and this is the natural color, so this is gonna blend perfect with my hair. This is what the hair looks like up close. These are the reusable crochet links. So now my braid pattern is, I have like a braid pattern from a previous crochet install, so I have enough leave out for the middle part. I didn't leave too much out. I wish I would have left a little bit more out, but so I tried to leave out as little as possible, and there's barely any edges left out, but I'm going to show you how you can finesse this install with minimal leave out. I'm going to jump right into this install using the crochet needle provided with my package from YWigs. I have other videos where I go into detail on how I do crochet, but just to give you the short, I take the needle, I push the needle under my braid, I put a crochet link. This time I'm doing 2. I put that inside of the hook, I pull that through my braid, and then I grab the rest of the hair inside of the hook and pull that through. I loop it one time. One loop works for me because when it comes to taking these out, I hate the feeling of struggling to take out crochet links. So for me, 1 loop works. I know some people like to do 2 for security, but do as you please, do what works best for you. So as you can see, I am looping 2 crochet links at a time for this part of the install. I don't do this throughout the whole head. When I get to the very top where you see those anchor braids right below my leave out, I do 1 link because I do want that to lay as flat as possible. But the reason I'm doing 2 now is because we don't have any perimeter hair left out, so I wanted to make it as full as possible to camouflage the braid pattern. That's why I'm starting with 2 links for this part of the video. So I am going to speed it up and I will jump to certain scenes, but I do let you know where in the video I am with the packs of hair, because I know a lot of people want to know how many packs, how many did I use. So I update you every time we finish a pack of hair throughout this video. What I like about this hair is it's 100% human hair. These are featherweight, very lightweight crochet links, so it's not very heavy and stressing on the hair. And if you want, you could actually bleach this hair. This is 100% human hair. You can curl this hair and all of that. So speaking of curls, today I am going for like a body wave glam look. So I will be using a curling wand at the very end of this video to wand this hair to achieve that look. I will update this video with timestamps. Give me like 24 hours or so. There will be timestamps in this video, so you can skip to the parts that you find most useful. I have worked with YWigs before on other crochet hair, so if you want to check out my playlist, I have a playlist of crochet hairstyles, and I have a playlist of YWig hairstyles. They are the go-to when it comes to hair extensions, not just wigs. I'm talking braiding hair, bundles, crochet hair. I've even done clip-in installs with their hair, so definitely check out those playlists if you're interested in YWigs overall. But as we get into this look, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do this style. I was down to pack number 4. It took me about 1 hour. For the entire install, it took me about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to say another 20 minutes or so to style it. So I'm going to give it 2 hours. It took about 2 hours to complete this entire look. That does not include the braid pattern because my hair was previously braided. So if you throw in the braids, plus the install, plus the styling, I'm going to say 3 hours, but it's so worth it. You have so much versatility. If you want more versatility, you would just leave out more hair. I will link some other videos and where I show you some different intricate braid patterns. But even with this minimal leave out, I was still able to flip this hair over. I was able to finesse a half up, half down. It's really all about your braids and your crochet placement. So once again, all details will be down in the description box. I'm going to let you guys rock out a little bit, and then I will be back towards the end of the video. This is the last pack. This is the last pack of the crochet hair. So this will be a 5-pack install, which is very full. That is the look we're going for. This is like a body wave texture, so I'm done. I'm going to use a like medium sized barrel, and I'm gonna wand it because we're going for like a Hollywood waves type of look. But this is what it's looking like. This is not giving sew in, weave, but that last pack is going to fill in all this right here. This is all that's left. So this is all that's left. So at this point I started doing one strand. Remember when I first started, I was using 2. So I am back and we are finishing up. Here I am just curling up the hair. I did not want to put more heat on my leave out. I've been trying to do like low heat with my hair, so my hair was flat ironed because I did a U-part install, but I didn't blow dry it previous to flat ironing it. And because I'm doing low heat, I didn't want the wand curl to touch my natural hair. So as you can see, I'm really focusing on just curling this crochet hair, not my hair. And this hair takes to heat very well. I did not use any holding spray for this hairstyle. I don't think I put any product in this hair, to be honest. And it still held a really nice curl. It's actually still curled right now. And if you want, you can blow these out before wand curling it, but I didn't feel like that was necessary because I still achieved my desired look. I get so many questions on how to take these down, and people keep asking for a takedown video. But for me, I just go in and I try to loosen up my braid pattern. For this braid pattern, it's very similar to my clip-in braid pattern. So I will link that video so you can see like the braid pattern I'm referring to. I think I have yapped enough for this video. All details will be down below. Shout out to YWigs for sponsoring another video. Shout out to y'all for continuously clicking on these hair tutorials. Like, y'all don't understand how much I love y'all, okay? Especially my day ones. Like, y'all, you don't even know. You keep a girl going. So shout out to y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.